Welcome back to another lit vlog. Got today is Subway, but it's not like the regular Subway. I got a salad. Yes, I didn't film it when I went there. I actually got this yesterday. But I was so busy that I didn't eat it. So, ooh, I'm sorry. Anyway, yeah, today we got Subway. Gotta have some ranch. Other than that, let's get this vlog started. So today I'm going to talk about what's been going on in my life and how it's been affecting me. A lot been going on. I've been trying to get in college. If you go to school in Texas, Dallas preferably, and you're familiar with Trinity Valley College, go ahead and like this video up. Comment what year you is, if you're a sophomore or a freshman. And just give me a heads up what should I be looking for. Gotta get some ranch. But man, lately, yeah, I just been chilling, man. I've been going back and forth from Mississippi to Texas. And it's been hard, man. My grandma just passed. I don't know what I'm gonna do about this college. I can't go up there because of the coronavirus. And that's what's really making me mad. Because I can't go up there and just schedule the classes so I can go and be enrolled. But I did just send my application in. So hopefully Monday I gotta get on it, man. I gotta call my school and make sure everything's good. I was thinking about living in an apartment up there, but I'm new to this Texas thing, so I was like, I'm gonna just go to the dorms. I'm gonna just go to the dorms for like a semester, then get me an apartment next. So yeah. But a lot been going on, man. My friends, everybody starting to get back in college, starting to go back to their apartments. When I'm just here trying to make sure I got in. Okay. Let me tell y'all what's all in this salad. Normally, Subway don't normally. I didn't know they did salads. Comment below if you know, if you knew. Cause like me, I did not know. It was actually funny how I got this salad. It was a dude in front of me, big muscle guy, black of course, in Jackson area. And in this salad it has lettuce, 4 different types of meat. Got some roast in here, some ham, some chicken, 3 different types of cheeses, mozzarella. It's a lot, man. But yeah, back on to college. I've been looking for a college since I got to Texas, but what really slowed me up, man, I got off task like I always do when I move somewhere. And while in May I could have been getting ready for college, I was doing dumb stuff. So now we on a race to see if your boy get in college. But if we don't, I'm not gonna say that. Cause I'm gonna get in college. I just don't know if it's gonna be in the Dallas area. Cause that's when I'm gonna start my career off. That's when my fans. That's where everything gonna start. But yeah, man, this college been killing me. Hold on, let me get something to drink. Ooh. What do y'all drink water? Or do y'all drink tea with salad? See me? I drink tea, but we don't have any tea. So I guess I'm gonna get a bottle of water. Yeah, man, I thought I was gonna come over here and do a quick little mukbang. Subway edition. The salad one. I haven't seen nobody do a salad mukbang on YouTube in so long. I don't even think there's a salad mukbang with Subway. So Subway, if you're seeing this, promote me. I'm eating your salads. They actually got a lot of protein too. It ain't bad at all. But I do recommend getting ranch. I wouldn't go no other way. But yeah, man. It's a basketball game at 5:30. I'm playing in it. Winner gets $200. Something cool. Just something to do when I'm down here. Cause school has been stressing me out, man. And it's not that I'm like not gonna get in. It's stressing me out because I have a car and I can't go to the college because of the coronavirus. Who knows? I might make this a vlog. But like I already said, go and like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe. Today I didn't do much. I woke up this morning. I ran. And I did my job. I got a little job, side job. Did that. Made a couple dollars. Now I'm just waiting on this time period so I can hoop on these boys' head. Y'all think I'm a hooper? I'm not going to lie. I hooped in high school, but I didn't play. So I know the fundamentals of basketball. So it should be fun. It should be nice. Hopefully we win it all. Me and my teammates, we're gonna meet up to his house at 5:30. Don't get crack-a-lacking. Man, it's funny how I met this dude. I was in high school. This one I was running track and playing basketball. I told him if I beat him in basketball, cause I seen he had a basketball goal outside his house. We got about 2 tickets. We were selling raffle tickets to make a little extra money for my school. So we played 1-on-1. I ain't gonna lie, he was good. His name's Spence. Shout out Spence. And I beat him. So I was like, hey bro, what's your number? And I went in and met his dad. cool kid. He up in Louisiana right now. Well, he go to school in Louisiana. He down here in Mississippi with me right now. He stay up the street. And we're gonna do this basketball tournament. But yeah, I beat him, I met his family. And we done been cool ever since. Let me show y'all. This salad right here, good on protein. And they make it, dang, I wish I could have showed y'all. And I was rushing. This was late at night. Last night, actually. And I didn't know what to do. I got a sub too. Flatbread, oven roasted. I love them. I don't normally go over there and get salads, but when I tried this one, I was like, yeah. Comment where you get your salads. Because normally I either go to Walmart or Chick-fil-A. Now Chick-fil-A has the best Cobb salads. But Subway, I don't know, man. I can't really tell you who winning, who losing. But Subway don't have eggs in that salad. That's the only missing piece. Really, the egg. But yeah, man. Drop down some comments on what kind of videos y'all trying to see. I just thought I'd come over here and make a quick mukbang before I go to this basketball tournament. And just see what's up with you guys. I'm out.